Hello again. I've been doing some animal art with my boys and I thought I'd put a little video together in case any of you wanted to give it a go. So on this one I start with a big letter S. And straight through the middle, the top and the bottom, pop a line down. Looks like a dollar bill. Then from the top we're just going to join the top of the S with a nice straight line there, making a triangular shape. In this bottom scoop we're going to section it off, joining it to the scoop of the S looking like this. With the line down the bottom we're just going to make that bold by adding another line, and you can just stop it at the bottom with another little line there. On the bottom scoop we'll add another line flicking outwards and make that bold there. As you can see, it looks like the little bird's legs. From the top scoop of the S we're going to join it up halfway down, so scoop down and join it up here. So it looks like this. At the top here where that triangle is, near enough to the bottom, we're just going to add another triangle and it joins up to the top of the S there. In this first bit we'll add a little line there which makes the bird's eye. So this is where we're at so far. Nearly done. In the bottom section we add a little U shape. This makes the bird's wing. And for the feet we can just add a bit more detail so he looks a bit safer standing. And he's done. Apart from that we can just add a little bit of colour. I'm going to do a little yellow beak. And some yellow legs and feet. You can do whatever colour you want, and you can add colour to the body. And by the end this is what you end up with. These are my boys' little birds. That's Aiden's. And this one is Kobe's. Both done really well.